Hey Analia, it's Miss Angelo, and I'm putting up this video that I promised you with the areas that I already said we could use a little help. So we want to focus on subtracting first. So we are subtracting 891 minus 674. All right. We know that we start in our smallest place value, which would be our ones place. 1 minus 4, I can't do. I know I need to regroup, so that 1 becomes an 11. The 9 becomes an 8. 11 minus 4, so I'm going to count up from 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is 7. 8 minus 7, 7, 8, that's 1. 8 minus 6, 7, 8, that's 2. And you should be able to do these in your head, but I'm just showing you if I have to rely on my fingers. I'm using the count up method. I'm not counting from 1. I'm counting from my smallest number. All right. And then you might have to work on problems where you have a missing digit. So let's say we have 5,283 minus 3,900. I don't know what my tens is, 6. And they'll give you an answer. I'm trying to figure out the answer so I can do the problem for you. All right, so this particular problem, we're given the answer, and it's our task to solve with the regrouping to figure out the missing digit. So I have 3 minus 6. I know I can't do that. I know this one had to be regrouped. So 13 minus 6 is 7. That's correct. 7 minus blank equals 9. So I can't do that. If the answer is bigger than what I have, I know I had to regroup. So let me do that. That would be a 1. So 17 minus blank equals 9. Well, 17 minus, so 9, I'm going to count up to 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My answer is 8. And that's where I can stop. I just needed to solve for the missing digit. All right, so let me give you some practice problems related to subtraction. All right, so your task is to solve these problems. Let's move on to the next topic that I already said we needed to work on, which was multiplication. All right, so it says that we need to be able to solve 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So let's say we have 38 times 19. All right, we need to be able to solve this, and we don't use standard algorithm in 4th grade, so we need to use one of our strategies, the strategy of partial products or area model. So I'm going to break apart both of my numbers into place value. So the first number becomes 30 and 8, and this is 10 and 9. And I write my problems on the inside and I go across. So this is 10 times, 10 times, 9 times, 9 times, and then down. 30, 30, 8, 8. Now that I have my numbers on the inside, I can do my multiplication, my mental math multiplication. 3 times 1, 3, and I have 2 zeros. 1 times 8 is 8, and I have 1 0. 9 times 3, 27, and I have 1 0. 9 times 8 is 72. And don't forget your nines trick. If I have 9 times 8, I lay my 2 hands out, and I start counting from my left, So if it's 9 times 8, I'm going to count to my 8th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put that finger down. Everything to the left of my down finger are my 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Everything to the right of my down finger are my 1s. 1, 2. So it is 72. 9 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finger down. Everything to the left of my finger down are my 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. And everything to the right are my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. Once I have that, I then add my pieces. So 300 plus 270 is 570. 80 plus 72 is 152. And then I add those together. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 7 is 12. Regroup my 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus 1 more is 7. And you also need to be able to do, let me see, was it? So, and you also need to be able to solve, let's say we have 314 times 5. I break this number apart into place value. 310, 4, and I distribute the 5. So it's times 5 here, times 5 here, times 5 here. 5 times 3 is 15, 2 zeros. 5 times 1 is 5, 1 0. 5 times 4 is 20. And then I add these. 20 plus 50 is 70, plus 1,500 is 1,570. All right, Analia, hope this video helps. We will meet again, and if we need to put anything else up, I will. Thanks for watching.